I'm stretching. Good morning. So, this is what happened, right? Or 2 rupees lighting pack. Right. If you can hear the stupid sound, just ignore it. Last night, what I was doing was I was watching my YouTube videos. Yeah, I was watching my YouTube videos all the way from the beginning, and I was like, bro, what is this motivation? And I saw a video like during COVID, I'm just chilling at home doing random bullshit. Bro, I'm still chilling at home and doing random bullshit, so why not just make a video out of it? Today is a more planned, toned down, sequence set video. I don't do this every day. I have a lot of things planned for today. Like I need to complete on my Korean study. I wanted to do reel and let's just do tasks. We do more. I don't know why my voice is breaking. And some editing. We have to do editing for the dance video. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wash my hair. It looks pretty fine. I thought I'd do some stretching over shoky things on it. I wonder. I haven't vlogged decently in like the past 9 months, and that's because I had like a rough patch going through shit. So between like people, mental breakdown, like away from that toxicity, bro. Still dealing with that bullshit, but away from that toxicity. Yeah, so 2 rupees mental health I got off, it seems. So on the 2 rupees mental health scale, today my mental health is at 7 because I was able to control my mental health. How can I like completely forget? So today's video is day in my life of a college graduate who does nothing in the house and is sitting in the house for the past 1 year. No, I did something, but like for the past 1 month I'm sitting at home doing nothing. So GG's, let's go drink some milk. Welcome to the kitchen. My grandma's like washing utensils at Asho. Angie. This is my cup, it seems. First step, sugar. That's Milo for y'all if you didn't know. In like 9th standard, we didn't get Milo in India, so we would like get it from Malaysia every time my dad would come, or like someone from Malaysia would come. Or recently I went to my grandmother's house and she looked at me and she straight up called me fat. I'm like, okay, starved. I'm not even kidding. She's like, in Kannada, she was like, dum magedi, and I'm like, dum 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 mast hai. Wait, that's Jhume Jhu Pathan. We're just like mixed two dances. Please don't disown me, my friends. Yup. I should probably take a bath. I don't know. I didn't take one yesterday, so before you judge me, please don't. Thanks. Vlog shoot manate hain. Yeah. This is my current planner. I started this in July last year and I haven't been really using it because I don't do shit in the house. Dude, the funny part is I looked so good in my old videos. Like, why do I look like this right now? Please someone tell me, why do I look old? I understand that video was like 2 years ago and I was probably younger and my skin was more brighter and shit. But like, why though? Gotta do the ASMR, bro. Let's write something down. This is my new pouch. I'll see you after I take a bath. Obviously, I had to get a cut because I tried to take my phone out of the stand and then my finger got stuck in between this. What's up? I just took a bath, washed my hair at one point in my life. I talk like a mole. I have to put on the cream. Then I start putting serum, and now I have niacinamide and hair growth serum. So I'm gonna mix all 4 and put it everywhere. Ouch. So I'm gonna start off with my face first because it's more dehydrated than the Sahara Desert. I start with the niacinamide 10%. It smells like bread. This is the lotion I'm gonna be using. Okay, this goes in my scalp. This goes at the lengths of my hair. So we'll do this and then we'll do that. Because I still have time, I thought we could study a little bit of Korean. Because it's funny how 2 years ago I'm like studying Japanese and I didn't study after that first YouTube video I made, and today I'm here studying Korean. But I actually have been paying attention in this language because I really like it, and I've already learned all the letters. I really have. I can read Korean basic phonetic. I don't even know what phonetics means. Basic letters for sure. This is my tab. It's the Samsung S6e. I don't know. I think once I go to the UK, I will probably buy myself an iPad, and this would go to my mom. And I study Korean on Duolingo because it's free and cheap. Free and cheap. It's free and nice. Okay, so I've opened my this thing. I have my cart with me. I don't know if you guys can see where. I just had some lunch. This is what I'm wearing, house pajamas, very comfortable and nice. And so I decided to wear a red color dress for the flower ka reel. I'll show you what my two options are. This is outfit number 1. It's kind of cute, I like it, but then I wanted to wear like this black top that I have over this because I hate this. So wearing the red dress, I don't think is the outfit. Time to change again. Look what I found! I completely forgot I had this dress, and it's perfect and iconic for this dance reel that I want to make. Okay, so this is how I altered it because I didn't want this like going up ass. I pulled the whole dress down to here, and then I wore like this cute thing under it. And is that straight? That's not straight. Obviously that's not straight. Have I ever put something straight in my life? Oh, better. Okay, so yeah, I'm sitting on the floor again. BRB. Yep, I'm done with my eyeliner. I don't know if you can see, but they kind of look the same. They kind of don't look the same. In case you're wondering, Pooja, what the fuck are you doing for 1 year in your life? Well, I was doing an internship for 4 months originally, and I had my GRE and everything, and then I fell, right? I fell from my scooty and I died. I didn't die, I'm here today, but it was pretty painful. The fall was pretty painful, so because of that I couldn't go to internship for like a whole month, and then I just didn't go another month because I was studying for my GRE. So I decided to go to UK, got into University of Manchester for clinical biochemistry and genomic medicine. I was really waiting for the genomic medicine. Surprise, surprise, I got the result today, and I was like pretty happy about it. Kind of proud of myself for it. I put on a jacket, it's my friend's jacket, and I sprayed some of this. Smell amazing. Let's go. One reel I'll edit. Which one is the best? And that one I'll edit. Editing means I'll put some effects and everything. Yeah. So I came down to shoot my reel, and I met a boy. He's damn cute. He's been watching me since like past 10 minutes. Kinda got camera conscious. So I took like 3-4 shots. If they're good, I'll use them. If not, I'll probably use the previous shots. Okay, it's dancing here. So it's basically dancing here. Tripod is there, water is there, my building. Thought I'll shoot it there first, but then no, so I just picked this is my background to be much better, and I kept all my things there. I don't know what to do with the boy. He's staring at me. Okay, I think I should say bye and go. Okay, I'm headed to JP Nagar right now because my mom wanted some threads and stuff from this one shop, and she's been like really asking. She's like, go and come, like that only meet Akash. I'm like, fine. Wait, let me show you my outfit quickly. So what I'm wearing my big old shirt. I'm wearing my new jeans. My outfit is giving me old school vibes, and I love it. We came to Milano with Akash, boy. I'm putting in my vlog, I think for the first time.
You're not putting this.
He's wearing shorts. Eating ice cream. I don't know why mine. I don't know why mine looks like a little veiled tongue, but I ate it already. Akash's dad said I look different. I don't know how, but it is what it is. Oh, my reel was nice now. Cool now. So much effort I put for it. I think half my views I only gave it to myself. I don't know why it's not able to focus, but I changed my fit again, changed into my Nike shorts. Yeah, it's almost 7. I have to take dance class from 7 to 8. So now let's head to dance class. I have to take my tripod, I have to take my speakers, I have to take my attendance book, some stamps, and that should be it. Yeah, and so let's head to the clubhouse where I have to take dance class. Wearing shoes, and I got my things in this bag. We have one kid who's come till now. Having a great conversation regarding where we stay. So we've come to the conclusion that if no one other than girl shows up today, we'll probably just draw something and have fun. Yeah. Hello. Come. We'll do coloring. Come. No one came on it. Yeah, I will do that. I will do that. What? Okay, show it to the camera. Go closer, Aksha. Yeah. Okay, come and dance. It's time for dinner. I'm sitting in the hall with my mom. She's not there yet. She's in the kitchen. She just got up and went. We're eating last dinner's leftover pizza and some tomato bath because why not? And some Sprite, but it's not normal Sprite. It's lemon lime flavor Sprite, which I'm kind of disappointed in because I didn't know it was lemon lime flavor. I'm gonna eat my dinner and then we're gonna watch a movie later with Tejo and Varsha, so quite excited about that. So, wait. I need to make introduction. It's currently 8. Wow, 8. Wow. It's currently 10:20 and we're watching a movie with Varsha and Tejo. You can do a little heart, it seems. I'm vlogging through this.
Bro, I look like a robber, dude.
Robert. Nice. And we're watching Main Prem Ki Diwani Hu. I'm watching on my tab.